we are here to doing survey on corruption in India. So what do you think is the main cause for corruption and how can we eradicate it from roots?
You take my personal opinion. Perhaps the basic reason for corruption is we are too greedy. We as individuals we are too greedy. We are never satisfied with whatever we have. We always want more than what we have. Suppose I have a car. Suppose it's Maruti. I want maybe a Mercedes. If I have a 1 BHK flat, I want 3 BHK. I want 5 BHK. So there is no end to greed, and then perhaps to satisfy that greed, especially those who are capable of going into corruption, they do select this particular route. I am not saying that it is only in government sector. Even we as individuals, we are also doing corruption at one or the other. Loopholes. And finally, for the youngsters like you and the students and the young generation, I would like to just give one message to you. One very famous sentence which I like, that is, you be the change what you want others to be. So maybe the young generation and we as individuals, we have a lot to do for the same, to eradicate corruption, and maybe you can form such groups and people take an oath that I won't, in my entire life, I won't support corruption of single rupee. Neither I myself will get indulged into these activities.
The main causes for the corruption of India, there are several reasons. One of the main reasons it starts with the individual. So nowadays, if you see, everybody wants the money earlier, in a less work, less time. So they adopt the route, they adopt the way of corruption. One more reason, there is now the trend is going on that. So every work is not possible without the corruption. So that may be one of the reason. Then another thing, the cost of living is nowadays increasing, and what they are earning or what they are doing the business, so which they are not getting the enough money. So they are again adopting the way of doing the corruption.
महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे वाढलेली महागाई, त्याच्यानंतर दुसरं म्हणजे जितकं पॉप्युलेशन आहे आपल्या देशाचं त्या कंपॅरिझनमध्ये आपली इकॉनॉमी तेवढी स्ट्रॉंग नाही आहे, आणि मुख्य म्हणजे गरजा इतक्या वाढवून घेतोय आपणच आपल्या, त्याच्यात तो तुमच्या टीव्हीचा जो इम्पॅक्ट आहे, टीव्हीच्यामुळे मुलांवर पडणारा इम्पॅक्ट, त्याच्यामुळे त्यांना प्रत्येक गोष्टीची क्रेज निर्माण झाली. सो ऑटोमॅटिकली पैशांची गरज भागवण्यासाठी कुठे ना कुठेतरी आउटलेट होतंय, ते इन द फॉर्म ऑफ भ्रष्टाचार होतं असं मला वाटतं. आणि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आजकाल जे आपण बघतोय ते म्हणजे देर इज नो ट्रान्सपरन्सी इन ओव्हरऑल वर्क कल्चर. त्याच्यामुळे कष्टाविना नाही फळ हा जो मूलमंत्र आपण पूर्वी शिकलेलो होतो, तो तुमची युवा पिढी म्हणा किंवा आम्ही पण त्याला काही प्रमाणात जबाबदार आहोत.
About anti-corruption, what do you think are the main causes for corruption in India?
The main causes of corruption in India is like there are many stringent laws and regulations, so that people are forced to, if they have to do any work, they have to go beyond these laws. So for that, corruption becomes a view or a short term to achieve their activities or whatever their goals they are.
So we are conducting survey on corruption. So what do you think are the main causes for corruption in India?
Okay, so far as I think the political system what we have in India and the bureaucratic system, that has led to development of corruption. Possibly that I think that the causes for corruption.